Hello, Kevin from Coal Miner Audio here. Today I want to talk about my audio implementation in the Unity Survival Shooter demo using Fmod. One of my main goals with this project was to really lean into the nightmare idea the main character seems to be having. To showcase this, I've added a few unique things in my scene. First, I've moved the alarm clock item in this scene from against the back wall to right next to the character's spawn point. When the game scene loads, the alarm clock starts looping an ambient ticking sound, but it's very quiet, only noticeable because of how close it is to the player at spawn. I made sure to give this item a large radius in Fmod so it is able to be heard from across the scene. Next, I wanted to have the alarm clock sound change over time. With the help of the Blip Sounds and GameDev.tv community Discord channels, I was able to make some C# code that kept track of the number of enemies in the scene. I made a parameter in Fmod that would change the alarm clock's volume according to how many enemies were present. The more enemies, the louder the tick sound would be. I also incorporated a snapshot into this parameter that increases the reverb and adds a low pass filter. These both trigger at 8 enemies and increase in intensity until there are 20. I also implemented a heartbeat sound that triggers when the scene loads, but can only be heard once the player's health reaches a low number. This parameter also has a snapshot, but this snapshot only increases the general ambience volume. This mixes well with the snapshot from the alarm clock parameter and gives the scene a very dark and foreboding feeling. To tie it all together, when the player's health reaches 0, the alarm clock loop is stopped and an alarm clock ringing sound takes its place, thus ending the nightmare. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked my noise.